So today we're going to take a look around this Globestar 600L from Globecar, one of our many used vans here at SMC Motorhomes. So this van is just under 6 metres long, it's 2.58 metres high and 2.05 metres wide, and it's based on the Fiat Ducato 130 brake horsepower. So this van has a lot of storage at the back, so let's have a quick look at that. Now here we have under the twin single beds in the rear, large storage, water tanks on board as well, so that's always protected from frost. So now let's take a look inside. Here in the dinette area we've got seating for 4 people with extra travel seats in the rear. Then also this table does drop down and make into a single bed sleeping across the van. Here in the centre of the van we've got an ample sized kitchen with 2 gas hobs, plenty of drawer space and then fridge freezer underneath. This van also benefits from gas and electric heating. One of the surprising features of this van is the fact it does have 2 full-size single beds in the rear, which is really unusual on a 6-metre van. Here in the central walkway we've got the shower, which is making great use of a space that would otherwise just be vacant and using nothing. Alongside of this we've got the washroom toilet area.